It's Hannah with WTI. These slippers have had my feet living in luxury lately. Let me tell you all about them. These are by BureBure slippers, and they are by far the most exceptional slippers I have ever had. These slippers are so amazing. You can tell they are made with love. They are handcrafted in Europe and shipped from Europe in this beautiful golden yellow linen bag. But they are such high quality, and you can tell they're really handcrafted and made very well. I love that they're made with the felted wool. Wool wicks moisture away, and it's also antimicrobial, so you never have to worry about your slippers having a bad smell or your feet feeling sweaty. It also breathes really well, so they keep your feet warm in the winter and cool in the summer. The felt is really thick and they are very comfortable. I got the size 8. I usually wear between 7.5 and 8, and these fit perfect. They're easy to slip on and they stay on well. The colors of these are so pretty, but they're very customizable. So you can pick your colors. You can also pick the sole. They have different soles you can choose. I chose rubber because I like to wear my slippers outside to get the mail or just run outside if I need to run an errand. I have been wearing these slippers nonstop. They're amazing. If you are in need of some comfortable slippers that are going to last for years and years, beautiful colors, all natural materials, these slippers by far would be my first choice. They are so beautiful, and that's my point of view.